जसपाल सिंगान राज्याचो नवो पुलीस महासंचालक म्हणून पदभार स्वीकारला. राज्यांतलो सध्याचो कायदो आनी सुवेवस्थेचेर तो उलयलो. तशेंच फुडारा खातीर कितें येवजण्यो आंखल्यात ताची जसपाल सिंगान म्हायती दिली.
जसपाल सिंगान आयज DGP म्हूण कार्यभार स्विकारलो. जसपालान ताच्या कार्यालयांत पयल्याच दिसा मिडिया कडेन संवाद साधलो. राज्यांतल्या पुलीस दळां खातीर कांय येवजण्यो आंखल्यात ताचेर तो उलयलो. ताणें सांगलें, पुलीस दळ लोकां कडेन चड संपर्क सादपाचो यत्न करतलें. लोकांक मेकळेपणान भोंवपाक आनी तांच्यो कागाळी नोंदोवपाक उर्बा दितलें. गोंयांत फाटल्या 2 दशकांत बरीच सुदारणा जाल्या. आतां गोंय ड्रग्सा परस सैमीक सुंदरताये खातीर चड फामाद जालां. अशें सांगतना तो राज्यांतले घुवळी वखदांचे स्थितीचेरय उलयलो. आयकात.
आज मैंने ज्वाइन किया है, बट ये हम सुनिश्चित करेंगे कि जो हमारी इंटरेक्शंस पब्लिक के साथ, चाहे वो बीट लेवल पे है, चाहे वो PCR लेवल पे है, चाहे पुलिस स्टेशन लेवल पे है या पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर है, उसमें कर्टियस होना चाहिए और लोगों को जो उनकी समस्या का अगर समाधान हमारे पास नहीं है, कई बार लोग बहुत सारी ऐसी समस्याएं लेके आते हैं जिसका समाधान पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट के पास नहीं होता. सिविल मैटर्स होते हैं या कोई प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड डिस्प्यूट्स होते हैं, तो उसमें वो फिर पुलिस से ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा हेल्प की एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं. बट वो चीज़ उनको बड़े प्यार से भी समझाई जा सकती है. तो हम कर्टियस बिहेवियर पे, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा एम्फेसिस देंगे. सभी पुलिस फोर्सेस दे रही हैं. बट ओवरऑल मैं फिर भी ये कहना चाहूँगा कि गोवा में जो पुलिस है काफ़ी कर्टियस है. एक आइसोलेटेड इंसिडेंट से आप पुलिस के इमेज का अंदाज नहीं कर सकते. एक बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में एबरेशंस होती हैं, बट दोज एबरेशंस ऑल्सो नीड टू बी टेकन सीरियसली. तो जो आपने पूछा, तो इस तरह की बिहेवियर की अगर कोई फ्यूचर में भी बात होती है, तो पहले हम पूरी इंक्वायरी करने के बाद क्या करेक्टिव स्टेप्स उसमें बनते हैं वो जरूर लिए जाएंगे. बट अल्टीमेटली अंत में मैं यही कहूँगा, पुलिस फोर्स बेसिकली जनता के लिए है. आई थिंक दैट इन जनरल वी हैव बीन एबल टू मेक अ डेंट ऑन these suppliers.
Because when you first posting, you are very strict.
It is much under control, I would say. Much under control. Because at that time, it used to be synonymous. It used to be synonymous with drug, but now people don't come for this. Now people come to see the natural beauty, Goan food, Goan culture, Goan music. So now the USP of Goan state is its culture and its beaches. Earlier, yes, you said when I was SP anti-narcotics, it used to be synonymous with but now, so that goes to show that there has been much shift in our emphasis also, and there has been drastic.
DGP जसपाल राज्यांतल्या वाडट्या सायबर गुन्यांवांचेर उलयलो. पुलिसां बरोबर सरकार आनी शिक्षणीक संस्थांकय अशा गुन्यांवांचे बाबतींत जनजागृताय घडोवन जागृत करतले अशें ताणें सांगलें. आयकात.
In the sense that it requires highly technically trained people, and there is no scene of crime, of a cyber crime, and you have to reach to the committer of the offence through technical analysis. So Government of India has also set up a national cyber crime portal. They are also trying to build capacities of the state police forces. State police forces, including Goa, they are also making efforts. But yes, you said it is on the alarming, it is assuming alarming proportions, because sometimes hapless people, particularly the senior citizens, they get a message, they open that message and the amount is deducted. So in addition to training our personnel, it requires massive efforts to make people aware about the digital technology. Although it has helped people a lot, but at the same time there is a flip side to it, because it is very difficult to trace the digital steps. Like if we take fingerprints, we have databases, we can reach to a criminal. But in cyber crime, once the crime is committed, the trail is totally lost. So you have to go to different operators in the chain, and that requires massive efforts, and people need to be extremely tech savvy to crack that kind of crime. And our forensic science laboratory is well equipped, and our cyber police station is also very good. And some of our police officers at the senior level, they are also very tech savvy and they are also supervising the detection of crime. But the effort needs to be made at different levels: government, IT department, educational institutions and police department, because it is committed by very intelligent and tech savvy people. So therefore we need to build capacities, and all state police forces are building capacities, and Goa will also not lag behind. So we will make sure that our people are capable of detecting the cybercrime, because this is the in thing, and people use technology to commit offense. So it has to be tackled by tech savvy people.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिग्स.